Blowing accounts is not a rite of passage. It's not something you should go through. Unfortunately, in trading, it's been glamorized. You're told it's part of the journey, part of the learning process, part of becoming a trader. It's not. It's completely avoidable. Most traders don't lose money because they lack potential. They lose money because they go live too soon. Before they have necessary structure, before they have proven consistency, before they have any proven edge. This is exactly what Tradelo is designed to prevent. You only trade real money when you're ready. That's why the Tradelo application includes the simulator challenge. Over a fixed period, you trade using the Tradelo application, with every decision captured automatically. Throughout the challenge, you receive real-time feedback. This isn't just a test of performance, it's a test of consistency. Can you follow your plan day after day? Can you manage risk consistently? Can you stay disciplined under pressure? If you can't do that in simulation, you won't do it with real money. If you fail the challenge, you don't lose money. You receive clear feedback on exactly where you need to improve. And you can take the test again and again and again until you're ready. The goal isn't to rush, it's to protect your capital for when it actually matters. When you do go live, that protection doesn't stop. Tradelo continues to safeguard your account at all times through structured risk management. Every trade is sized relative to your account balance. As your account draws down, your position size reduces automatically. As performance improves, risk scales back up. You're never overexposed and never risking more than your account can handle. This is how you stay in the game. Trading isn't about taking big risks. It's about protecting capital until you've earned the right to grow it. If you can prove consistency through the simulator challenge, Tradelo goes one step further. We offer trader funding to those who pass because we trust the process and we trust the data. Start using Tradelo today for free. No credit card required. If you're serious about becoming a professional trader, stop rushing to go live, pass the test, and you are ready.